Welcome back to Flourishinmath, math enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of numbers and words. Have you ever wondered how to write numbers in words? Well, you're here to know how. In this video, I'll equip you with the knowledge and skills to confidently express numbers in written form. So, let's get started. When it comes to writing numbers in words, there are a few guidelines we need to follow. Let's begin with the basics. In English, we use words to represent numbers from 0 to 9, and beyond that, we combine words to form larger numbers. Let's take a look at some examples. Let's start with the single-digit numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the building blocks for constructing larger numbers. When we move beyond 9, things get a bit more interesting. Numbers from 10 to 19 have their unique names. For instance, 10, 11, 12, 13, and so on, up to 19. Now, let's explore how we write numbers between 20 and 99. Here, we combine the words for the tens place with the words for the ones place. But first, you need to learn the word form of writing 20 to 90. Here we go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's have some examples. 21 is 20 and 1, but we say 21. Here is another example. 73 is 70 and 3, but we say 73. Your turn. Please pause the video and write these two numbers in word form. Show your result to someone around you. Wow, you are right. 68 and 97. When we reach numbers greater than 99, we incorporate the hundreds, thousands, millions, and so on. Let's see how it works. To express numbers between 100 and 999, we combine the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. For instance, we write 234 as 234. I believe in you. Now, pause this video to do this. Show it to someone nearby. Moving into the thousands and beyond, we continue this pattern. Let's consider this number. We say it as 5,678. Keep in mind that some numbers have special names, such as thousand, million, billion, and so on. These words indicate the magnitude of the number. Let's see how they fit in. To express numbers with magnitudes, we add the corresponding word after the number. For instance, 25,000 is written as 25,000, and 3,200,000 is written as 3,200,000. Your turn. Write the following numbers in word form. Be sure to show it to an older student or an adult. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of writing numbers in words. Remember, for numbers up to 9, we use single-word representations. From 10 to 19, we have unique names. Beyond that, we combine the tens and ones place words. And for larger numbers, we include words like thousand, million, and so on to indicate the magnitude. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see more math-related content, Let us know in the comments below. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of mathematics. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button.